Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use M&S Gift Card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go ahead and open up your web browser and make sure that you're logged into your M&S account. After opening up your web browser, in the web address bar type in www.markandspencer.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your M&S account, and then you can use your M&S gift card online while making a purchase from this website. Go ahead and select a product you'd like to purchase, and once you find the product you'd like to shop, give it a click. On the next page, click on the Add to Bag button after selecting your product, its size and the quantity. Finally, click on Add to Bag, and then after you are done shopping, click on Checkout. From the summary page, click on the See Next Step button. You'll be asked to enter your delivery method, collection location, and other information. Go ahead and enter the details that is asked and then scroll down to Payment. Click on Pay by Gift Card / Reward Voucher option and enter the gift code available at the back of your gift card. After you are done entering the code, click on the Apply button in order to apply your gift card while making a purchase online. On the next page, you need to type in your PIN code, which is 5 digits long, and you'll be able to use the gift card as a method of payment while making a purchase online from Marks & Spencer. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.